Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to remove a directory that has got content in it. So I'm just going to show you this directory now. Okay, this is the directory. It's on my desktop. It's called C, and when we click on it, it's got content in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this with the content in it. So let's start off. I'm going to create a subroutine called remove directory. Okay, so we're going to create the path to it because it's on my desktop. So path is going to be equal to c:/users/desktop. Okay, this is the particular desktop path to my desktop. It won't be for you, so you're going to have to find your own desktop path. Right, so we're going to do chdir. We're going to change to this directory, which is the path here. So now we're in this directory. We're going to print a message for the user, so the user knows what to do. That's going to be enter directory to delete. Okay, enter the directory to delete, and then we're going to create some standard input here. So call it entry is equal to standard input. I'm going to chomp scalar entry. Okay, so now this is where we go into the conditional, the logic in the program. So if I'm going to do this, the file here, scalar entry, we're going to do something. We just neaten this up as always. Right, so let's have a look. We're going to remove a file in here. So I'm going to use unlink here, which is going to be scalar entry, and then we're going to use a little error handler here called or die, and we're just going to print out a little error friendly message to the user, unable to remove, and that's going to be scalar entry here. Okay, or else let's have a look. We can print the scalar entry has been removed. Okay, so hopefully that's removed the file in there. Now we're going to do an else if. So else if scalar d for directories, scalar entry let's just smarten that up a little bit, and we're going to do remove tree. Okay guys, I've totally forgotten to do one thing, very important. I should have added this to here. So this is going to be use file path quoted words remove tree. Okay, that's what I should have done, and that's what you must do to be able to use this. So this is the remove tree, and that's going to be the scalar entry. Again, nice little error message if something goes wrong, or die, unable to remove directory. It's this scalar entry there. Just whoops, what have I done there? Hey, I'll get it right one day. Okay, so we're going to print a message to the user. So that's going to be scalar entry and content removed. Last one we're going to do is else here. If anything unexpected happens, else we're going to print a message to the user. Print scalar entry doesn't exist, or it's not a directory or file. That's pretty long-winded, but never mind. Okay, right, now all we have to do is call the program now by calling it remove directory. Okay, like that. Save it. Hopefully I've not made any typos. We shall see, we shall see. Okay, so enter directory to delete. Let's have a look. What was it called? Was it called A? Okay, so A and contents removed. So let's go and have a look at that, shall we? Actually, I deleted another directory. It's called C. Oops-a-daisy. Anyway, it wasn't an important directory. Okay, let's take that again. Okay, let's go for C this time. Okay, the directory I really wanted to delete. Okay, here we go. C and contents removed. Let's have a look at that. Okay, it's gone. So there you go. I was going to say something else as well. I forgot what I was going to say. I'm sure I had something else to add to this, but in all the excitement, I have forgotten. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. And remember, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss any of these videos. I'm sure you don't want to. So with that, I will catch you again another time. Bye-bye.